Hello, hello. Good morning. I'm walking here. But first I will show you the beautiful bougainvilleas. See? The time is 6 o'clock in the morning, 6:10 in the morning. I'm walking here, Alforsan village. See, the door is still closed, so I need to sit in the park first because the car is still there, then Sir is there. This is my work every Tuesday. I'm coming from this Alforsan. This is the village of Alforsan. Still have time, so I need to sit in the park. Oh. This villa is my madam house. There is still there, so later I will come. I will go in the park first. There's a mini park here, but the problem is they cut the bougainvillea here. It's very beautiful, but why they cut it? Yeah, there's a mini park here. Oh, the fountain, they closed the fountain. See? This is the mini park here. I will sit here for 1 hour just to wait. Okay, here is it. I will wait here 1 hour.